Hello, Bobcats. I'm here at the 18th mission. It's called San Luis Rey de Francia, and it was formed by the successor for Father Junipero Serra, and it is the biggest out of all of the 21 missions. And right now, as you can see behind me, they have some scaffolding up because they're doing a lot of restoration and retrofitting to help preserve all of the history that can be found here at this mission. I'm standing in front of the ruins of some soldiers' barracks that are right in front of the mission, and originally they were here to house Spanish soldiers to protect the mission, but later on, during the Mexican-American War in the mid-1800s, they housed American soldiers while they were fighting for freedom. Have you noticed these bells when you've driven along 101 or on El Camino? That's because these bells mark the way for the historic El Camino Real. El Camino Real means the royal walk, and it was a path that connected all of the missions. By the time all the missions were finished, each of them was only a day's walk from one to the next one, so that friars and other people could travel in between them easily and find a place to rest for the night. Hi Bobcats, I'm here at the 7th California mission, San Juan Capistrano, which is famous for its beautiful gardens and also the swallows, which are birds. They return here every spring to build their houses up here in the eaves of all the buildings here. And it's very beautiful right now. There's monarch butterflies everywhere, and I'm learning a lot about the history of California. I am here at the San Gabriel mission, which is the 4th mission that was founded by Father Junipero Serra. And they came here from Spain also to help convert local Native Americans, in this case the Tongva Indians, to Catholicism. And here's an example of a hut or a house they would live in. It's called a key, and it's made from willow and reeds. And then over that way, there are some places where they cooked pozole, which is corn soup. They built a fire in the little vat underneath, and then they put a bowl on top to cook the soup. And they got water from a local mountain, Mount Wilson, and they made these clay pipes that ran water all the way from the mountain and the lake over here to the mission. Here at the mission, there are a lot of grapes you can see growing around here, and that's because the padres, or the fathers, were growing them so they could make wine. And in fact, the padres here at San Gabriel were some of the first people to start vineyards, or places where they grow grapes for wine, in California.